and interphase and M phase. These are the two phases of cell cycle. Interphase divided into three subphases G1, S and G2, and M phase divided into prophase, metaphase and anaphase and telophase. Now, here most probably the cell division is of two types. Again, mitosis and meiosis, and here up to here this is the basic events in the cell cycle. And what are the basic events? Interphase and M phase. And in this M phase, and this is common for all the cells, and this M phase or mitotic phase, and there is one more phase that is called meiosis phase. Here there is two types of cell division. Here we have completed about the basics of the cell cycle. And next in cell division, or before going to the cell division, and here after the completion of these four phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and what occurs means karyokinesis, and within this cell cycle two karyokinesis and cytokinesis occurs. Karyokinesis and events of cell cycle after this karyokinesis and cytokinesis occurs. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis, and we have to know about the these terms. What are those terms called? Karyokinesis, and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. That is karyokinesis means it is a division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. Division of nucleus is termed as karyokinesis. Karyokinesis is termed as karyokinesis. And what is this cytokinesis? The division of cytoplasm in the cell. The division of cytoplasm in the cell is called cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm in the cell. Cytoplasm of cell is termed as the division of cytoplasm of the cell is termed as cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. Let us see a rough diagram of this karyokinesis. For example, this is a cell and this is a nucleus, and this is nucleus and this is cell. Here, the division of, for example, this is again cell. The division of a single nucleus into two nuclei, and that is called karyokinesis. This is called karyokinesis. And the next one, cytokinesis. Here, two nuclei were divided within a cell, and these two nuclei, after the division of this nuclei, cytokinesis occurs. Means cytokinesis, here this single cell divides into form two new daughter cells, and that is called karyokinesis. Here the karyokinesis, the division of cytoplasm to form two new daughter cells. This is called cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. And these are the two terms which occurs in the cell cycle. And now we move to the cell division. Means here cell division nothing but which comes under the cell cycle only, and the cell division is a part of cell cycle. And there are two kinds of cell divisions. And what are those two kinds of cell divisions? Here meiosis and mitosis are first. Mitosis and meiosis, two kinds of cell divisions occurs. And what are those two kinds of cell divisions? Two kinds of cell divisions occurs And what are those two kinds of cell division? Are two kinds of cell division. Two kinds of cell division. First one mitosis, and the second one meiosis. Mitosis and second one meiosis. First one mitosis and second one meiosis. Here, let us see what is the difference between this mitosis and meiosis. And this mitosis occurs in body cells or somatic cells. Mitosis occurs in body cells or somatic cells, which means fully developed cells. And here, in this meiosis occurs in germ cells. It occurs in germ cells. Germ cells means, for example, sperm cell and an egg cell, and those are called germ cells, and those germ cells combine to form a zygote, and those kinds of cells are called germ cells. And somatic cells are body cells, means these are fully developed cells. And mitosis occurs in fully developed cells or somatic cells, and meiosis occurs in germ cells, or which are germ cells are combined to form a new organism, and during the reproduction. And meiosis occurs in germ cells and mitosis occurs in somatic cells. And in this meiosis, a parental cell divides to form two cells. Cell divides to form two new daughter cells only. Parental cell divides to form two new daughter cells, whereas in meiosis, and the parental cell divides to form four daughter cells. Four daughter cells. In meiosis, one parental cell divides to form four daughter cells, whereas in mitosis, a single parental cell divides to form only two daughter cells. And one more thing, the number of chromosomes which are present in the daughter cells are equal to the parental cell. Here, chromosome number is chromosome number of daughter cells. Chromosome number of daughter cells is equal to that of its parental cell or parental cell. Chromosome number of daughter cell is half of their parental cells. Parental cell. Here, what is the main difference here? Chromosome number of a parental cell and daughter cells chromosomes are equal. Both are equal in mitosis. For example, let us see. In mitosis, this is a parental cell, and this parental cell divides to form two new daughter cells. For example, here 46 chromosomes are there in this parental cell, and 23 chromosomes are there in this parental cell, and this divides to form two new daughter cells, and here also there is a 23 number of chromosomes, n number of chromosomes, n number of chromosomes. Whereas in meiosis, for example, 46 number of chromosomes are there in parental cell, and this parental cell again divides to form 4 daughter cells, and over here it forms 23, 23, 23 and 23. It's called half number of chromosomes are present in the daughter cells if we compare with the parental cell, whereas in mitosis, here same number of chromosomes are present in the daughter cells if we compare with the parental cell. And these are the three differences, these are some differences between two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Here once again, mitosis, it occurs in body cells or somatic cells, it occurs in germ cells, and mitosis, it occurs in the parental cell divides to form two new daughter cells, and the parental cell divides to form 4 new daughter cells in meiosis, and the chromosome number is equal with the parental cell, and half chromosome number is present to be compared with the parental cell in the meiosis. And this is about the mitosis and our two types of cell divisions. And finally, let us see the differences between plant cell and animal cell. The differences between plant cell and animal cell. The differences between plant cell and animal cell. Between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell. Animal cell. Now this side plant cell, this side the animal cell. Plant cell and the animal cell. Here, first one, cell wall is present in plant cell. Cell wall is present, and here in animal, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent. Instead of cell wall, plasma membrane is present in the animal cell, whereas the plasma membrane is also seen in plant cell. And here cell wall is present, cell wall is absent in animal cell. And the second one, plastids are chloroplasts. Plastids are chloroplasts are present. Plastids or chloroplasts are present. Here, plastids are absent. Plastids are absent. Next, vacuole or large-sized vacuole is present in plant cell. Large-sized vacuole. Large-sized vacuole is present. Large-sized vacuole is present in the plant cell. In animal cell, vacuole is absent in higher animals. Vacuole is absent in vacuole is absent in higher animals. Higher animals, vacuole is absent. And next one, centriole is absent in a plant cell. Here, centriole is absent. Centriole is absent in plant cell, and centriole is present. Centriole is present in an animal cell. And last one, lysosomes are absent. Lysosomes are absent. Here, lysosomes are present. Lysosomes are present. What are lysosomes? In animal cells, the lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the animal cell, which removes the unwanted material in the animal by these lysosomes. And these kind of lysosomes or these suicidal bags are present in animal cells, whereas in plant cells the lysosomes are absent. Here once again the differences between the main differences between plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell is consisting of a cell wall, whereas the animal cell is not having that cell wall. And here the outermost layer of the plant cell is cell wall, and the outermost layer of animal cell is plasma membrane or cell membrane. And here the plastids are present in plants. The plastids nothing but chloroplast, which performs the process of photosynthesis, and the plants require photosynthesis, hence the plant cell is having chloroplast. And whereas in the animal cells it doesn't require any photosynthesis, hence the plastids are absent in the animal cell. And next one, a large sized vacuole is present in an animal cell. For example, this is the animal cell. Let us see, this is the nucleus, and this is a large sized vacuole is present in the plant cell, whereas this kind of vacuole is absent in the higher animals. It may be present in lower animals or lower animals, but here in higher animals this kind of vacuole is absent in the animal cell. And next one, centrioles are absent in plant cell, whereas centrioles are present in the animal cell. Next, the suicidal bags are absent in animal cell. The suicidal bags nothing but lysosomes are present in the animal cell. That's it for today, and tomorrow we'll go with one more new topic, and thank you.